bigger college with 71%, and I've joined JSPIDERS. I'm currently from past 6 months I'm in JSPIDERS, and the faculties are very friendly and the teaching is very good, where they will help all the students in attending interviews, giving grooming, and the teaching is really very good, where they'll support all the students in everything, and the faculties are very friendly. And my experience in JSPIDERS is very good, where I upgraded my skills in web technologies, backend and Java also. And all the trainers who support me is Rahul sir, Abhilash sir, and Dani sir in front end. And in middleware, Shankar sir, and in backend is Shashank sir. And programming was Siddesh sir. And I thank all the counselors, members, trainers, and HRs for supporting me in every step.